G'day guys, Gene from Contact Patch Performance Tyres again. Thought we'd do a real little short video this time we just want to show you a bit of the progress and the update on where we're at with Contact Patch Hayabusa at the moment. If you saw our last video, we were about to do a full 240 rear swing arm conversion back to stock. That is in and complete. We thought we'd just show you what we're up to, where we've gotten to, and this thing is looking absolutely amazing. So a little slimmer than she used to. We now have the 255/17 rear Pirelli Rosso 4 Corsa is now installed. Absolutely beautiful looking tyre. We're really excited about this one. Get this out on the track in 2 weeks today. Sunday week, it's Sunday today. We'll be out on the track at Queensland Raceway in 2 weeks time. So we've got the RK ZXW chain, gold chain installed. We've got the Super Sprox Stealth sprocket installed also. Very nice looking bit of kit. We've what else have we done? We've got the rear brake upgrade complete and the front upgrade. Sorry, front and rear upgrade brake lines are installed. So we have the Hill Performance Australia braided brake lines. You might be able to see that in there. There you go. These are all fully installed now, front and rear. Speaking of front, we've also been busy on the front. We've got the new Rosso 4 Corsa tyre fitted on the front. These are the little embossed logo on the side. These are the 150 anniversary of Pirelli edition. We've got the brake lines fully installed up there. It's a little dark up in there, but hopefully you can see what we've done here. So they're the new Hell brake lines. We won't go into that in this video. It's a little bit of work, guys, if you want to do the full brake line upgrade, especially on ABS models. It's a lot of work, but hopefully it'll all pay off come track day. So we're about to bleed the brakes front and rear this morning, and we're going to get this thing fully fairing back on, and get her out on the road this afternoon, give her a little bit of a shakedown, and see where we're at, and hopefully we'll be all ready to go by Sunday week. Fortnight. Today, fortnight. Queensland Raceway. We've got the Queensland Moto Ride Day, as you know, booked. Really excited. So, yeah, hopefully if we see you out there on the road today, guys, hopefully we're not on the side of the road. Lol. No, we'll be okay. But if you see the Contact Patch Hayabusa on the road, give us a wave and ride safe, guys.